course is about educating people about what mental health is and the sorts of things that they can do to assist themselves or their friends or their colleagues if someone becomes unwell, and also ways to build resilience so that they can navigate the normal stresses of life. A mental illness has to be treated exactly the same as a physical illness. I would encourage businesses to sign up because mentally healthy people are productive workers. And so if we can help people improve their mental health, then that's going to help the bottom line.
Yeah, it was a quality course. I found it really engaging. The fact that we had a professional psychologist as a presenter was fabulous. And I got to sit in a workshop with operations staff, and I'm an office worker, so I found that really beneficial as well, to be, sharing our conversations and learning strategies together.
Why might it be beneficial for a worker to tell their manager about their mental illness, given that they know? Some people don't know, and it might be the manager noticing and going, hey, I'm worried.
To me, it just equals a more productive workplace, and a place where you want to go and that you feel comfortable being the person that you are. If you hear about this program or see this video, talk to your manager and ask to apply for the free training. It's definitely worthwhile. I've had a lot of experience in my life learning about how to deal with mental illness, but not really about how to have those conversations in the workplace. And the workshop today has really given me some tools to do that.